why ti me agano ma bia na we adori ibu de ni me rere we magba we na egbe ki okpe a we na me better skin. Just tired for those dirty people. You want to ibu de me, but if you continue to dey talk that ibu, they are not going to take again. I will just hate you because I'm not a child. Your momo, and when my pata moment wants to cook, you don't continue. If you continue, I will disrespect you. I say, now when I value what. So I be say continue. I be small picking. You will work here. When the character and what we keke, when I go me what me you remember this way. I be una mate. Even why we me we. If I know la work be this way me work boy. I know the last person will be say they will just come to do like say our phone ya but for no work be abo obuwa be wan sorry me. The record one man sorry me. When I not go there, I not just go there. Abate mata wo wa iso e kwa bado awe na me we wa mase ave pretender hypocrite. When I know the advice me give me na caro na wala go that side. I'm gonna go take care of myself. So na call the which advice una wa give me. Una be better person. Una be better person now una dey do saga. Why winner? Why jim winner? Why we me be media? Must you stand for saga matter? That's when they do saga man don't advise me. I take go back una caro na matter go that side. If you wa gwalo, why you okay if you? Cause saga vero eve nana. Sunu jijore. Jore gbelu wa. Mama me saga, mama me view, mama go viral. Yeah, iwa re mama me view. Abado amu matijore doare, matijore gbelu wa. Abe emini u igegewe. Nakpa. Ijere nakpa. Man, get out. I'm gonna get out. I pack way. I see you. Why we give money? Good job, go. Man, no advise me because when I not rich, I get out. No advise me, okay? How many times when I want advise me? How many times when I want talk to me? They crazy. What is the world? I been away can wa. How many times when I want to video for my head? What is the world now? Man, why I go live you? Now they mad. Which kind of nonsense with this one? Why we get here now? And why don't I money for now? I do like say I be small picking. But Kevin, no, they want me a more journey. You working very well, boy. What could they advise me? What you advise you get level pass you. Now you are taught to. The person who are taught to me advise me, not be una. Because he dey una body. Everyone who me don't need me boy. And not be dirty people. Okay, me have here asweni me. Unu gba wa asweni me. Una no fit do without tijore. Mama tebe anya ye badu ata were gbe to rinu. You're not good, you're not good. Me jore gi wa ba. Tomorrow you're na in church, next tomorrow I gonna ma bia. Oh na happy. Na una o de una body eh, mona forget. Na wati me na me de pike come ba. Nah, I don't like this kind of nonsense. Okay, maybe yeah, mama go maybe yeah. Me na no make kebi me na. Na no get na problem. Why agba ogo gbogwa. Wano ye sakaya riba. Area ma ya make ya. Go talk rubbish. Ba go maybe when if you have vanana, you go me ya do me na we ya advice gbe ya with TikTok. Man advice on say See people where they advise me. Wa no gbera gbiri. Imana be go wa gona wa malake. Abuna ti say wa be sakpo wa be wini be cause oru wa gbe. Wa be ru wa gbe be no be me gbe be ru wa gbe. Ah, nobody should control me eh. Ma phone ma rokpa. Ma da lafu wa. Joro no good, joro no good. Man get out. Kabu no we have ya. Ah, man for karona wala good as. Jore. Ahwe jore. Ari put ni jore vena. Ari put ni jore ahwe. Awa we video na the craze. Unu gba wa avasi me abuna mate. Wa ma take care of na. We no me pay tax no wahala we bu na dey mad. Which kind rubbish be that one? Mama wa respect one now just say person dey fear una. Na dey craze abo wa yan we get dey. Do wa we dey wa dey na wa be sun eh. Na wa be lo na wa be say ya dey so ni that do wa be aroge. Abeni na ye no me we like one no. Do wa na dey like ni na wa bere. Na stop eh. Stop her. Wa go me vie. Di ma wa me contract. Now allow me sleep. I don't know to call it disturb me. Oga me ari. Igwe ni wa be ban do aso ni me Facebook. So ni me TikTok. Una dey craze. Ba mo. Ba je ni wa ibi wa ya go. See these useless people. Una we don kill una career now. Una wa come advise me. A career ma wo dey normal sebebo. No go do like say na them better pass yore. Una dey mount. Go me vi ama go me vi. Unu gba wari avasi me. Igbe be na ti wa. Abeni na be na be go wa kuno. Abuga oni lenu wa be ni leni ya ke. Una dey craze. To be all this one. Which kind of nonsense be this one? We're not in my ganoma bien a dem no time me if I bofia kulele wa you the craze can't you do without yore if I do anything let them invite me no but na way don't spoil una name saga people una way that they cause I don't swear give imwe gbele ya ben me yari ni mela jawaro pa mari enu wala jawa a fake name o wa ko TikTok. If anybody say I offender, when you are TM, we are working, you're TM, and nobody me favor. It's a be on a problem. Why not they let me to sleep? Go maybe and I want go maybe. I won't go at Danine. Why whenever we join my worry, and what would be full of it? Why talk about major go why I go? I go what power righty. I go join Marati. Must everybody talk in a decent way? Ungu ga eta to me. Wa ma bege ni ma be ta. Obi sure wa bege. Abeni me na ro bi wa no. Oso wa na ogwe me bi gwe eriru wa gba. Abona le una dey craze. Na le na dey craze ya. No me na come be ka wa no. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Man, respect well. Now just say person they fear na. That one no why. Now not the juice na wisdom. You got me here, I go me here. You just forget. Now go say forget yesterday, forget day before yesterday. But now still they talk. I want to forget. Now so that the advice person. I mean, only days I have advice over. You work here. Advice person, I go say okay, I don't hear. Now continue. For waiting now. Now so me tell the advice now. I'm over here. What pay be me? Abi amugwa yoka me bebo. Yamugwa yamugenu wa. Yamugenu wa na lalu ya. I'm gonna get out. Let me sleep. I'm gonna go get me to me na me ya na me can be TikTok. Una de mad. e va pas fier kule luwa wa no so ni me va vana be TikTok ya e va pas fier kule luwa ou ba gbe wa mana go me vie you wa ya ri wina I don't so ni jore vivant Evite mana igba we senen wa u gira me gbe okwa na the craze Kama go evie Kwa mi na ya so ni me be TikTok fa wetu na the mad wetu adu na igbe kwa mo juwa aberu wa kokon isu wa kokon wa ma we no so ri sore na ba ka wa gwa le view wa gwa le e followers si sore no do kwa o jigbelu wa bagbon local community people wa nwuna pa TikTok Wana wa mwene TikTok okpa nyawo abugo we TikTok okpa me na migo Gwagwa le me be rie bai After me jore every day e dey have us over you work here wana to have us every minute we get ya la mere re abi sakin lo mo se nu wa jeju wa gbe a Gwagu me vie o yo salopa yin wa Agujore wait me aga no ma be we ado avasi me for what not the craze I'm gonna go why we careful we ya we so ni me and maybe we community wa me we I'm gonna get out no don't come to do like say the be better person why we good record is me why we ga me abi ya ni je saka ya rie bai agba ya gwali nguna be bai amu jore why go wa ma me view wa la a topic jore gbelu wa gbon any here respect nu wa no wa me value if you want me to disrespect I will disrespect you ukele where dey magba abona tise na la before na tise na la before abona pa fit me ya wa lenu ba me wa be lenu you know say I not be ozo Gotta do something. Awa we me for what now? Who ya gwale when I be when they TikTok. Oh, okay, me mami obe. Temi jore vo we atava vata vota kwa le view. Na kwa kepe oko me. Wa lo kwa kan oto. Rinu ye palace re rinu ye gwa rinu ye palace re we be ya kwego we ba we na be go to wa vasi jore ni jore rinu ye palace re imwe palace nyawo emi wa e da palace ni me we gbo ya no ji ma fe gbe no ti gbo daze e palace wa kere wa na laluwe aba I'm gonna get out igwari mi na ya wa so ni me ya wa tie ya me go do for waiting
do anything.
Oh, tell me palace. No, I la luwe wa tell me palace. I were be palace but wa ewe.
Rena, you know what you are do for you. Nobody will know you.
I get back on me. I were be palace. Akwa re ba be tell palace. No me re chief be palace ni eruwa. E sa gende na be chief be lo. E palace ya ya veje. Ogijore wa begi palace wa kere o wa na laluwe wa get out e ma go me vie wa gbe ni wa relax ba o down na ma wa le wina wa kan odo be palace wa ewe chifinenemi o wa ya go we tetegbe Kwa le nguna ba nguna kwa le view kwa le jore kwa ya me view la kwa go me vie o kwa ya vasi me wa vasi gbogbo ko so ma we gba nu wa fu e record wa to gbe won ti pala wa ila lo we na wa ta we palace No, I want respect to when I just say, now make I not the like to respect all those people. No, I not the like. After we just think, we just think, we Emma, I go and push in men who I go and me who I will be. That's why I be. I'm a very nice person, but don't ever take advantage from me. Nobody defeat me, I not defeat anybody. Don't look down on me. If I run away from you, I'll run away from you. That's why I just be. Wait, bury you, Kim. Don't advise me again. It's okay like that. Too much of advice. All the metanoma. What is this now? Yeah, go and when I buy when I talking. I'm gonna make another go. Depression agbelu wawa. Hey, talking, you go raw very oh. And look. A black job forever. And look for a black job. I don't like it. It's okay like that. Stop. Don't do that. Don't give me exclamation. Okay? Don't give me exclamation brain. Enough is enough. Wow, okay. Do what more. You know me, am I who even why or no? Don't stop. Enough is enough, okay? Because people are changing my memory. You wiring go and look for work. Now go le Jenny Joriami topic.
Nobody would like you.
But I got a black job. One me out. They disturb you, know. Not just about no can't. They don't need to talk. We are to talk. Which advice? You the craze? We not go on mona muria. Why go limuna? Why you better me? Hey, why the mammy view? We are doing put in Missouri. That one not put anywhere. You not setting Wauni. That not send do that in Waui public. I don't ever give an advice. Yeah, advisory. No, future Waun, why are you advising me? Because I only made the row you are. Monsieur quarrel with everybody. Also, that I mean, no catch up no man na forgiving. I am man I will basic me. Also, now I hate maybe the last one I can be lana. I mean, no soon na wa malake. So I wanna go be sunu. That dog aroge. Wa fit me fit wa. My vessel, not to crack my brain. Crack waiting. Say now only a damn video wa. Cause you go, my damn video wa. Why you continue? My that team. Okay, maybe your week kwa bungbo one maro we beg. I know they like some of our Benin people. I know they like what that they do. They don't know how to say it go and always severe. They'll continue. Like say na them know the word pass. Like say na them perfect. In order their body, where like said that they go work. I bet you know. I am view. I went view now. I balling when I buy winner. I balling winner. Never beijing winner. Go and look for black job. Where you put the make bar. Okay, don't give me advice 3 times. Your mom my webo. You are when it's I be come reba uwa. Ko be ruwa gbe Don't give me too much of advice. I don't like it. See that dirty woman. Then the skin will get bake you up here. What you want to tell me? Oh, get out. I got your tag number beer. Go and come here, number beer. Get out. I hate you past my shit. She can't be that one. on a me be nguna ya ni me be le français ya ri nguna ah mo ko nyaun unu gba wa reboot me era me reboot me gba fa if no disrespect here don't let that rubbish go look for job man okay go look for job forget about your matter ogu wa be sorry me ah wala ke palace o wa na la lo lele ya ah me na get out wa come relax in my vie ah I'm going to have a spiritual job. I do my spiritual job. I say, okay, let me relax. You get you have a mina. What does when you have done in a government? You why are you winner? Why calling winner? I come go to bed back over mina. Oma respect to go now. Just say person a mumu. Wagbera gberi so mo get do respect to her. I have asked me, it's okay like that. I want to relax. I go make sure say ni say. Ah, I tell me Jory. Jory. Never na be quick wala. You don't talk to me, I don't hear. I don't continue again. If now we take it like it with you. Ah, God, my big man wait for her. Everybody the package won't forget to. Or our bag mo ya. Banu wait for. Ah, why mo dead. Every time. For what? Mama go me vie. Ya la we ba ko relax. Do gwa me ben wa ya wona wa dori yogo me. Uri pisha we jo. Dori e be me uri pisha we jo. Me kini na ya we in Madrid. We are gwale wona. E ya vaccine me it's okay like that. Dori e be me. Ya de ade card me no. Uri e li no ro hin. Uri ni we yewa. Ya we are 200 euro. We are going to black job. We are going to ya we the ID card with me. Because too much of advice I not like camo. I beg you. Malake everybody job here papa name. Why disturb me? Because I remain now maybe no G. I've seen a bumbo ton. Do I maybe no why I'm when I do your woman. I will give you. Was what you know, we can lead in or any area. We knew where you are, we picture where you are, where the Cadia were in Madrid, 200 euro. Well, when the original go, we are going on a bang when it talk. Look, we're making a day okay, we might be do okay, forget to, we might be do okay, very forget Malaki. Ila come where are women no magba where do we have to control me don't control me owo aregun me wo bala aregun me fese agu ye mi na mi wagun dori adikadi me no agwale wona ko si me gbe mi anode da wa gbo aje wodo atemu ko forward ah ko no wo ga fune mo ma je awo wa we won de doctor tede ni awu ne na popegbo ye mi take care of yourself, man. Gonna leave me alone. So they dictate me we are going on. We're making nothing here where you know. I'm going to very honor. In my way, me down. You need it, in my way, me down. Ogun bani aga ti mo o ja me we no bagun ya gun. Sisi ama ni akati mo gaba de yan bege yan ma bege fake news ni ki ire ma gele ya wo abeni na won ya ti mo gba ibe disrespect yan iye me ni abe tami ya no bali yan be wona ti sa bi mumu ka bi yan no yan me yan no special child sisi ya jo no ba magenya iye me ni atame ya no din awe have special charge do wa me be wa do ya dikade me no ure picture wa jo no agwale mu na come vie mami we wo ko era ki we have you vavo so ni me wa danini mu wo be na wa o tie ni me wa danini ai so ni me wa agwale mu we no ko no ro din na we go e be ya gbashawo bai agbashawo ri wa ye gbashawo ba no mazo te we be no re wo pe egbeje be no gbe kia egbe no gbe kia a draba David lelegbe yeski eko budubudu eko mano be no ge pape lama ogun me vie o ogun me vie wa agbon ya wa me record na ma fo na waro pa to gbe abe ya won do o ga wa 20 wa shawo dan guys we ni me ko to sugbore wa face yan ni guys we ni me on va rien verser mais il better continue we continue equal don't do that okay I'm a woman of myself I not dey under anybody I live free life you ever say abongbe ejo ma ya value money don't continue especially when the person reply you say thank you it's okay why you want continue what you want to talk what you never do you not do more than me I know what I do I don't be small picky I don't relax I dey sleep now the year so now they call my name why not they call my name for waiting I go maybe you go maybe okay you need a rest one not even I'm maybe me pick a call where passing I just need rest you me zami ve na manjo I need rest on ke gbe oko me iwa mina ye wa so ni me ni nyeme ba da ni me wa gwale mu na agbasha wo pa no ma job we no e me no vion le gbe ni no gbe ki o pe ani no kan so e gwale mu na ke when it talk na me e me mo ti nga e me retirement ni receive wukuki so no be talk they give me money wa gwale mu na wa gbiri jori wa ke gbe oko mi for waiting abuna to say wa be face me wa ti be wuni me na la o don't go there o wa re gbe maya wa respect gbogbo on ni ma like ve gbogbo wa mo respect na for ba no yari abi eri wa je wa lenu e so ma value e be like that I will hear respect. You respect me, I respect you. Respect Sani hypocrite. Okay? Respect Sani hypocrite. You give me respect, I give you respect. Don't populate me. Don't go to quote me. Kwa gumevie ga wa pepi meme. Kwa gegbe oko me. Iwa ko bana la e perfume ina ole ko ire ba va me wa ti avana la so ni o ga kwa gwa ni wona kwa dori atikati me kwa gwa ni wona wani ti me ipike ko wa se mi ai you are relax I need rest ai malaka atemo papa wa beg stay no go ma kwa beg kwa we no fit wa una be TikTok. Isaka wa. E man wa gbe ni esa kenya lo. Okay, because ni na queen. Why Miss Coco Timeo? I remember needed too much of talk. Waye palasiku, waya la luweke. Oni matesa nezo ayare palas. Waye palasiku, ashawo, ujiga shawo ya buwa yedo. Weba bofye kunle luwaya. Wanya wada kwake. Wanya iku waya rin. No fona ragbe, ama fonu kwa ma bifoni me. Oge khoba no kpana, one besiye moroko lele yake. I don't know why man people concern at that they come be okay maybe TikTok. On a was in Morocco a benefit awe erimano. Oba bi oba no se Morocco video. Was one wow. Oba to bua. Oba bi amano la lowe. Was a kaya bana unu ya go. Kwa maybe go where gbe mi na miwa. Why swini me? Wa gwale wuna. I no come my nigga though. I'll go maybe. Can't think with this one. What's success? I'll go maybe. Ndari avase wa avase gbogbo wa gwale wona do wa mebe kwa dori adikaji imasa me yunu chai wa o pe adu mebe dori ebe we yonu ya wona cuz de tu gelengune better job ngune jore mu we no gba wari avase me don't give me advice ami ani wo we na ya pa everybody go die na leave me don't sit on my words my baby ni ya kununa. Now let me go to spiritual world. I am go back down. At that time, don't give me advice a lot. I don't want it.